Is it time to buy or sell James Hardie Industries stock? In this video, we are diving deep into James Hardie Industries. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of August, 2025, our system has ranked James Hardie Industries as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.75. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13.39% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 13.39% and 82.16%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -32.47%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -45.47% to +6.43% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $10.16 and $19.84. Our latest daily update for James Hardie Industries includes the headline: Big movements in James Hardie Industries plc stock price on Wednesday, moving 14.43% between high and low. The James Hardie Industries plc stock price fell by 34.44% on the last day, Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, from $28.43 to $18.64. It has now fallen for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.43% from a day low at $17.91 to a day high of $20.50. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 32.76% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 61 million shares, but this occurred alongside declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk is expected to increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 70 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.3 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $43.57, while the lowest price was $17.91. Currently, the price is 57.22%, or $24.93, below the 52-week high of $43.57, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. James Hardie is experiencing significant pressure following a startling earnings shock. Shares have dropped by more than 35% today, marking the largest one-day decline since 1973. This follows the company's report of fiscal first quarter net income amounting to $62.6 million, or 15 cents per share, which is a sharp decrease from $155.3 million, or 36 cents a year ago. Additionally, the company has issued a notably weaker outlook for the fiscal year 26, primarily due to the recent completion of the AZEK acquisition and a decline in demand. Management indicates that these results reflect a normalization of channel inventories and a moderation in customer growth. In the short term, we should anticipate ongoing volatility, analyst downgrades, concerns regarding margins, and potential forced selling as investors reevaluate valuation and integration risks associated with AZEK. This downside could be exacerbated if housing demand remains weak. Over the longer term, recovery will depend on the successful integration of AZEK, the realization of cost synergies, and steady growth within the fiber cement market. Additionally, factors such as renewed partnerships, like the one with Beazer Homes, will help support volume. However, if execution falters or leverage increases, the stock may face structural challenges. Conversely, if synergies and market growth materialize, there is potential for a gradual recovery. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald, assigned JHX an overweight rating accompanied by an initiate action. On the same day, Friday, the 11th of July 2025, Cowen & Company rated JHX as hold with an initiate action. Again on Friday, the 11th of July 2025, Raymond James gave JHX an outperform rating along with an initiate action. Moving to Monday, the 24th of March 2025, Morgan Stanley rated JHX as overweight with an upgrade action. On the same date, Monday, the 24th of March 2025, Macquarie assigned JHX a neutral rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned James Hardie Industries stock a general neutral rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for James Hardie Industries. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The James Hardie Industries plc stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $27.51 and $27.29. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was indicated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 13, 2025. And so far, the stock has decreased by 37.15%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for James Hardie Industries. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.59 between its high and low, which represents a change of 14.43%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.93%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for James Hardie Industries, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is considered a relatively normal PE ratio, typically seen in companies with established track records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 30 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for James Hardie Industries. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for James Hardie Industries is at $22.07. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as an opportunity for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing any trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is James Hardie Industries stock a good buy? The stock of James Hardie Industries plc presents several negative signals. Despite the recent upward trend, we anticipate that the company will likely experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have revised our evaluation of this stock to a negative outlook. Due to certain minor weaknesses in the technical aspects, we have changed our assessment from a hold to a sell recommendation since our last analysis. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we expect Hardie Industries to open higher by 37.5 cents, beginning at $19.02. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.